Hello, this is Gary Oakes from OnlineTutorship.com. This tutorial is how to use the automatic website builder within Tailor brands. This is a great place to start if you're looking to create a very simple website. And the good thing is you can create the website for free. However, if you wish to publish the website, then you will need to subscribe to one of the plans. Also, you will need a domain name. So you start Tailor brands by creating a logo. There is a video tutorial on how to do this. Once you've created the logo, you will enter the dashboard. Once in the dashboard, you will need to choose website. And you'll be given the option to either use the automatic website builder, which is what this tutorial is about, or build an online store or blog using the advanced level. There'll be another tutorial on this one. So as a beginner, let's go to Start and let's see what we're presented with. This website is very much a click and play type affair, and these create sections within the page. So let's have an about, see what that looks like. So you can create some content here, services, some content here, gallery, testimonials, features, social, and contact. So that's all of them basically now selected. This is how the one-page format actually looks. Once you've done this, you select Next. It will ask you then to select a theme. Once we've done that, I'll then create the site. Now we need to select a section to edit. We'll start with the header. Header text, travel 1, we'll keep that as it is. We'll change this background though, that's not too exciting. And what you have here, you have access to free stock photos. And I've typed in sun, and we have some free stock images of the sun. And you can load more and more, etc., etc., until you find something that you like. I like this one, so I'll select it. You can, though, upload your own. So it says up here, upload image. And I can choose one here. This is from my computer. I'm going to stick with the one I've got. You'll notice there's a button underneath Travel 1. You can change the text of this, so I'm going to call this Contact Us. And then I apply changes. Here we go, so there's the background. Oh, I think that looks really cool. And we have the button there that says Contact Us. You may notice now that we have the navigation bar at the top here. These are all the sections of the page that we have now selected from the About, Our Services, Gallery. You can click these and it will take you to the relevant section. Let's now look at the About section. So let's click About. And here we have the title. You can call this something else if you so wish. It doesn't have to be the About. But you have the opportunity to put a text title and underneath the main text, and again this can be anything, and you can change it by going in here. Also you have a button here as well, and you can change this as before, and I'm going to call it Contact Us, and then apply changes. Let's go back. The next section is services. Here, again, you have a title, which you can change to your suiting. And we have placeholders for images, and we can add images accordingly. I'm just going to select one here. I'll have that one. And you can change the text. I'm going to add an image to this one. I'm going to actually upload an image on this particular one. I'll have these people running on the beach. We may as well go for a third. And we can select this one. Change the text. Here is the button text, so we can have it Contact Us, and apply changes. So here's our services with our images and the text. Let's go back. The next one is the gallery. These are just images, so you can add up to, I think there's about 8 images. So these are images that are already here, so you will need to delete them. Say yes, I want to remove it. You can remove all of these. Apart from you always have to have one available, but once you've created one, you can then delete this. So if I add an image, select that one. Now I can delete this one, and then I have 8 placeholders for images. Now I can add the images. I'm just picking images at random here. I'm just going to add 4. Again, you have a button here, get it. We can change that as before. Now apply changes. And here's our gallery of 4 images. Let's go back. Let's have a look at the testimonials section. We have pictures of faces here. We can change the text title, change the images as before, change the name and the text. I'm going to leave these as they are. I think you get the idea how we use this now. Let's go back. Have a look at the features section. Again, you can change the title. For this though, you are limited to these particular feature sections. You can have up to 4. So we may not want that one, but we might want prompt service. And we could have customer service. Again, change the title of the text, change the text in the button, and then apply changes. And here we have the 4 features. Let's go back. Social. We can change the title. You can then add in your social links. You have the various buttons here. So you can have your Facebook, your Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. And then apply changes. Go back. Contact. You type in here your email address, where the form will be sent to. Change the title. And the submit button, if you want to change the title for that as well, and then apply changes. Last of all, the footer. So the footer is this bit down the bottom here. You can change the phone number, your email address, and your address. Just to note that the logos that appear here is the logo that you actually produced within Tailor Brands. Then apply changes. Let's have a look at options. So we've got style, SEO. So it does a little bit of SEO, that's search engine optimization. This helps the search engines on places like Google or Microsoft. And you can put in your SEO type text here. Also, for your social network images, choose the right image to represent your social media. Again, you can upload your own, and we apply the changes. And then we've got advanced editing. Let's have a look at that. With the advanced editor, you have the freedom to really change the website that you've just created. If you're happy with this, it works for you, it's simple, and you want to publish it, you will go to publish. And this is where you will need to sign up for one of the plans. And for this, you can use the basic plan. You will also need a domain.